The H5N1 virus, also known as bird flu, is a serious illness. It mainly affects birds but can sometimes spread to humans. This virus can cause severe sickness and even death. Therefore, preventing its spread is extremely important. While H5N1 typically circulates among birds, it can jump to humans through close contact with infected birds or contaminated environments. The virus poses a significant threat to human health, making prevention efforts paramount. The good news is that we can take steps to protect ourselves and our loved ones. By understanding the virus and following simple preventive measures, we can significantly reduce the risk of infection. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to serious illnesses like H5N1. By taking proactive measures, we can create a safer and healthier environment for ourselves and our communities. One of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of H5N1 is to maintain cleanliness in our homes and surroundings. A clean environment is less likely to harbor the virus, reducing the risk of infection. Regular cleaning, especially of surfaces that we frequently touch, is crucial. This includes doorknobs, countertops, light switches, and electronic devices. Disinfecting these surfaces with a household disinfectant can further eliminate any virus particles. It is important to follow the instructions on the disinfectant label for safe and effective use. By incorporating these simple cleaning practices into our daily routines, we can create a significant barrier against the H5N1 virus. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) provides comprehensive guidelines on preventing H5N1 infection. These recommendations are based on scientific evidence and are designed to protect individuals and communities from this serious threat. The CDC emphasizes the importance of avoiding contact with birds, especially sick or dead ones. If you encounter a bird that appears sick or has died, do not touch it. Instead, report it to your local health authorities. Washing hands frequently with soap and water is another crucial aspect of H5N1 prevention. This simple practice is highly effective in removing viruses and other germs from our hands. The CDC also recommends vaccination for people who are at high risk of exposure to H5N1, such as poultry workers. Vaccination can significantly reduce the risk of infection and severe illness. Keeping our homes clean is an essential part of H5N1 prevention. Here are some practical and easy-to-follow cleaning tips. First, clean high-touch surfaces frequently. Wipe down doorknobs, light switches, countertops, and electronic devices with a household disinfectant. Next, disinfect floors regularly. Mop floors with a disinfectant, paying attention to areas where shoes are commonly worn. Third, wash laundry thoroughly. Wash bedding, towels, and clothing in hot water with laundry detergent. And don't forget about pets. If you have birds as pets, keep their cages clean and disinfected. Avoid contact with wild birds. By following these simple cleaning tips, we can create a safer and healthier environment for ourselves and our families. In addition to maintaining a clean environment, personal hygiene plays a crucial role in preventing H5N1 infection. Washing our hands frequently with soap and water is one of the most effective ways to remove the virus from our hands. Covering our mouths and noses with a tissue, or our elbows when we cough or sneeze, helps prevent the spread of respiratory droplets that may contain the virus. Avoiding close contact with sick individuals, especially those with respiratory symptoms, can also reduce our risk of infection. By practicing good personal hygiene, we can significantly reduce our chances of contracting and spreading the H5N1 virus. Follow, like, and subscribe for more videos.